All right, welcome everyone. Welcome to the severe weather coverage. Which is coming on the air. That we've got some activities in the south. This is a severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued uh, for um for Atoka County and western of Oklahoma. Along this, we had two active tornado warnings in Wisconsin, Illinois, and then we have all these. We have 21 severe thunderstorm warnings, including Minnesota, Illinois, and that is like all throughout here. Uh, this is severe thunderstorm watch. There's that tornado warning that has been issued. Is not even a severe thunderstorm watch. Although tonight we do have a severe weather update. We already got some activities that are in the south of us and north of Texas that we could possibly see some severe weather could be occurring at this time. So right now, let's go to this tornado warning that is going on right now. That this one is in Illinois by let's look at this one's about to be expiring at 4 minutes. So that's 6,000 people. So again, we're just coming on. We also had a considerable severe thunderstorm warning. That might be a brand new tornado coming up pretty soon. We also had this flash flood warning observed, and then we also had that tornado warning that be expiring in 18 minutes. So we got a lot to say on that. As well. Sorry, I don't know why that's on there. I don't ignored that. So there we go. So we're just looking at that as well, and put in this image mode, and let's look at the Velocity. They're showing a little bit of that rotation that is going on right now. So that is so a lot to take in at that time. So again, we got that 21 that'll be expiring in 18 minutes at that time. Let's go back and look at that. So the good news is that severe thunderstorm warning that was just been issued that it was allowed to be canceled. So that leaves just a flash flood warning that will be expired 2 hours indicated. Not much on that as well. So the intensity score is now at the 129. So that is in play when those two tornado warnings would be dropped. That intensity score will allow to be like to settle down for tonight. We also got that these new severe thunderstorm warning that has just been an issue. And let's talk about this one. Let's see what's going on with this one. This cell right here. So right now, this is a tornado watch. So we have a tornado watch for Wyoming, Nebraska, and parts of Colorado. So we could possibly see some tornadoes, possibly like this cell right here, that we might have. We could see some potential of a tornado at that time. So again, like I said, if there's a tornado that is in Oklahoma, I will dive into it right now. So good. The good news is now it's just been the intensity score is now dropped. Now we got some warnings that have been issued. So there's that. So let's look at that. It's just a considerable severe thunderstorm warning. The winds is really getting really up there as well. So there's that new severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued for Illinois. So at that time, so we have 22 active severe thunderstorm warnings. And what we got good news is that tornado warning right here is now finally to be expired. So that intensity score has now dropped down to 123 at that time. So that's really a good news right now at that time. So right now, I am experiencing seeing some um, excessive rainfall for me, and in our area right now. So we still have that this is a flash flood that will expire in 2 days, and then we are seeing some more line of storms that it could be popping out. So alrighty. So we have a new flash flood warning that has been issued. This is observed, so that's pretty serious. That's in Green Bay. So if you're in these areas, like, so this is a flash flood observed. So that really need to be mindful of that as well. So please turn around, don't drown. Is our that's our message for today. So, all right, we only have that one tornado warning that has been still been issued at that time. So it is for that. That's the good news is there's no indicated a possible upgrade to observed tornado. So that's really good news. Let's go look at the velocity. Oh, see what's going on with that. The max radar not showing anything at that time. So that's really a sign of relief right there. And that severe thunderstorm warning that was considerable dropped down to yellow. So that's really good news. So we're not seeing any more activities that's been settled down. Now the intensity score has now finally dropped. At that time, in the meantime, let's go look at the see what's going on right now. This is day 2. This is what's happening for the rest of the tonight. We also have some slight risk severe weather. We have that enhance. Well, when we get to day 2, we're in the slight risk of severe weather. It may take place at night. I don't see why we will have severe weather right now overnight because the temperatures are not. So the temperatures are right. Let me close that out. Because right now it is 79 degrees. A little bit warm. I mean, we did get about 2.5, almost 3 inches of rain for today, 2.75 inches. So that's and that's red flag warnings. That's a heat advisory. Now get ready for Tuesday. 96 degrees. That'd be summer right there. So you all get ready. And we have a brand new tornado warning. So like I said, so I was kind of right about that tornado that could be popping up. So this is now a new tornado warning that has been issued for Colorado. Let's go look at that county, where that county is. This is for Logan County in Colorado. If you're in that area, you need to take cover right now. If not a lot of people will be affected. Very small number. Still quite a few people will be affected. Cook, Tobin, and Saline, Maricot, Griff, and Prado, Colorado. If you're in those areas, you need to take cover right now. 320 people will be affected. So very small. Very small. Not so much. Populations right there compared to compared to this one right here, which I have keep an eye on that. This has more people, so this is also another possible of a tornado. So let's go look at that cell right here. So there's that possible of that tornado that's been showing on there. Let's look at the velocity showing. So we're not seeing. So there's a little bit. There's some rotations right here. There's that little bit of hook. I'm gonna play that. See what that will do. So they're showing a little bit of that rotation. So that is a tornado warning right now. So the really good news is it's not been confirmed tornado warning at this moment. So that's really good news at that time. And then we also have that severe that severe thunderstorm warning that is considerable, that which this could be of a possible of a tornado as well. I got another alert that has just popped up. We also have another tornado warning that has been issued. So we have that tornado warning that was also right here that is been expanded. So that tornado will be expired. So we also have another tornado warning that has been issued. Yes, the intensity scores has jumped up a little bit for that as well. So um, so we are now at 124 of that severe weather. So we have 107 warnings, and then we have two yaw watches, 3 tornado watches. So we have 197 current alerts. So that tornado warning that has been an issue. So this is that tornado warning. So we have 3 tornado warnings right now, including Colorado, the 2 Wisconsin. So if you're in, so let me get to this one. So if you're in Dodge County in Wisconsin, and if you're in Horicon General, forget what these names. Those 6 cities are affected. You need to take her right now. 27,000 people will be affected, and 10,000 over 10,000 homes will be affected. So good news is it's not been a confirmed tornado warning at this moment. We also have tracking another severe thunderstorm warning. We have that could be of a possible tornado. That'll be expiring in 7 minutes. And we also have this cell right here that could be of a possible of a tornado. I got another alert. So we have now back up. Now we went down to 122. So at that time, so we got a new activity that has just been that they're calling for a potential of a severe weather for that event right here. We also have tracking there. Y'all watch. Let's go back and look at this and see what's going on. See, these storms are really being more serious. No warnings has been called yet at this time. So I am, as far as I'm concerned, I don't know. And we have the intensity score is now 121. If it gets down to 90, I call off the severe weather coverage. Because right now it needs to be down to 92. You know, And if those tornado warnings, so now it went down to 119. And then we got that tornado watch that'll be expiring in 5 hours. It's only a 40% chance, but we do have some tornadoes for sure. All right, we got another one that has just been issue. So that could be another possible of a tornado that could be that it could be for me. I'm gonna take a little bit of a break and get something to drink, and I'll catch y'all in just a moment. All right, we've got a new severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued, and that's in Nevada. We also got another severe thunderstorm warning has been issued for in Wyoming. So we got um, more more active severe thunderstorms warning that has just been issued. So now the intensity score has just went back up a little bit. It is now down to 123 because of those. Active severe thunderstorm warnings. We have now up to 27 severe thunderstorm warnings that are now being issued. A few were going ready to be quite a couple severe thunderstorm warnings now to be expired. So that leaves down to 22 severe thunderstorms warnings. So that's really good news at that time. So now we're down. Well, but it did go up a little bit. Now it's up to 28 severe thunderstorm warnings. So disregard. Get the numbers right. So now it's 20. And the intensity score went up to 124 now. And we also have another considerable severe thunderstorm warning. So that, you remember that severe thunderstorm warning that was going to be a tornado? Now it's been weakening, but it's still considerable. Severe thunderstorm warning at this time. We still have that. We're still tracking that tornado warning that has been issue. So we now have to 121. The intensity score is out to 125 at this very moment right now. So we also have no considerable severe thunderstorm warnings. And we still have that tornado warning. It's no longer a severe thunderstorm warning, but we do have that tornado warning, but it's not been confirmed. That's where that tornado might be, and it's been picking up. The confidence now is on a rise, so that will be interesting. But it has not been confirmed. It has not shown as it is a confirmed tornado warning at this moment. So the intensity score is now jumping. It is now back to 132 at this time. So it's really starting to pick up the pace. It's the speed right now. So what that means, I mean, so we're now up to 130 and 130. So right now we're sitting at the major event condition, and then we were at the extreme national weather event. So and then we still have these flood warnings that's only in effect in for my area. And then we also tracking this storm. So we only had 2 active tornado warnings that expired in 24 minutes. And we had 22 severe thunderstorm warnings. What's all this? Are they putting videos, traffic videos on here? This is all new. Look at this. This is new. I don't even have to show you what the traffic is on here anymore. But that's only for Minnesota. Let's see if rest. Let's see what these others have. They do have some in Missouri. Their image. So that's in Missouri. And that's in Kansas. Let's see if they have some in Oklahoma. What's this one? Oh, yeah, they do have the video footage. So that's at NSU right now in Broken Arrow, where I live. Isn't that something? So there's that River Spirit. There's the Riverside Airport. And look at those clouds. Let's see what this one is. That's in Tulsa. That was at That's at Memorial. See what this one is. So they do have sky cams. But not any in Oklahoma City yet. Unless I'm bluffing. But yeah. So Memphis has it. So Tennessee has it too. So it does have sky cam, but not weather cams. But we don't have sky cams yet, feed yet. But I wonder if they have it. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. So yeah, I just thought I'd show that to you. But right now we're now up to intensity 137. So it is really picking back up its speed. I'll be right back. We got a confirmed tornado warning for Colorado. So you need to you need to start taking cover. If you're in these falling cities, you need to be in your safe spots. Right, you need to take care right now. You have a confirmed tornado warning. So tornado on the ground, uh, doing damage. So let's look at the velocity. So there's that hook right here. There's that tornado that is right here at the time, and it's if it's not a tornado, maybe not so much for this block right here. If you're in, because that is that possible of a tornado right there that is moving right here. There's that hook right there. That could be that is really a tornado right now at that time. So that intensity score went up to a point because of that confirmed tornado warning. So those two tornadoes are still allowed to be get ready to be expired right now at that time. So we're still having that tornado, that confirmed tornado warning right now. We also have this tornado warning that is still going on. So right now we do have that confirmed tornado warning that has been issued, that has been upgraded. So what? And now the intensity score has dropped a little bit. And we also have another severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued. So we have now back up to 27 severe thunderstorm warnings, and two of those tornado warnings that'll be expiring at 7:30. So we have another brand new confirmed tornado warning that has been issued. Now it will be expiring at 7:45. So if you're in that area, so this is for Filming County. So 585 people will be also affected. So this confirmed tornado warning is not so much right now, but it could be damaging winds. But right now there is that tornado on the ground is still doing damage at this time. So there's that hook right here, like right here, and then like if I could just draw it. So that's where that hook is, right there. So if you're in that area, you need to take cover right now. for filming. If you're in filming, and you need to be in your tornado precautious right now, because that is a tornado on the ground doing damage. So please be in your safe spots at this time. So, and now the intensity score is upgraded a little bit, went up a little bit to 136.24. Please just drop. I'm up to 21 severe thunderstorm warning still. So I will stay on for a little bit longer. And it's right now it's still at 132 uh, intensity score. We still look at that. Still that confirmed tornado warning. Good news is that tornado warning will be expiring 10 minutes. And this will be expiring 25 minutes right now. So major event still going on, and we're still looking at that confirmed tornado warning that is going on. Let's look at see if they have any.
What, rapid rain?
Not seeing that much on here. Let's look at this one right here. You can not see as much. Well, the good news is it's not showing like the rotation. It's like it's showing the spin up. That's so there's that possible that rotation that cell that is right here. That could be that tornado. That's it's either high winds or damaging tornadoes. Very very likely. And it's moving to daily. So that's daily Colorado. And still see that little bit of that rotation that's still going on right now. So that's something that we could just need to keep an eye out for. But it's still showing a confirmed tornado warning at this time. And that's the grid national warning will be expiring 8 minutes right now. So right now it's looking really good. Now the intensity score did jumped up a little bit at this time. So in the meantime, I want to go back and look. I want to look at some things and look at some things right now, so just to talk about what the weather looks like right now in Oklahoma. This is my in Broken Arrow. We are now at 77 degrees, still warm. You can see that we had almost 3 inches of rain that happened this morning. Right now, we're already now up to 8 inches of rain, 27 inches for this year, and then you can see the humidity is 83%. 83%. We had 539 lightnings that were just reported 7 hours ago, so quite a lightning. And then we had quite a few lightnings that happened today. So right now, we're looking at maybe possible storms that could be developing at night and throughout the whole entire day tomorrow. Great. And then look at that. So we're only got it's on the high is only gonna be 86 for Wednesday and Friday, and then look, when we get to Saturday, it's supposed to be 91, and then look at Tuesday and Wednesday, 96 degrees and 97 degrees and 96 degrees. Next Friday be 94, and next Saturday be 95. So we're going to get into some hotter temperatures this year. So let's look at that. What the weather underground has to say about that as well. So let's look at that as well as see what is going on with the weather underground. And then as you can see, when we get to Tuesday, 95 degrees, and then Wednesday 97. So it's pretty accurate. The same thing. This is like my throughout my weather station, I am I am linked to, because this is my weather station too. I send out the information now to them right now. So right now it is 77 degrees, and then the temperature's been just been a little bit steady. It did get up a little bit, like around 4 o'clock right now. So we're looking at that tornado warning. So still being observed for 20 minutes. So for Colorado. So yeah, like I said, this is that. So it's been kind of warm. We do have it, like, again, we do have that severe weather that's going on for tomorrow, but that has been downgraded to a tornado warning, which that's really good news. 4 minutes, so that's very likely you're about to be done at this moment. So, and we have still at 3 tornado warnings that's going to be expiring in Colorado, and then that tornado warning that is in Wisconsin will also be expiring in 4 minutes. So that is this tornado right here. So this storm is now weakening, because this is not so much. So pretty much this warning will be expiring, because that is going to be weakening pretty soon at that time. So I do want to look at that tomorrow's severe weather. So let's look at the winds. Really pretty. Threat is 50%. Hail is 50%, and then tornado is could be possible. We're talking about maybe possibly a EF2, but the threat is extremely low. But we'll just see how it all plays out at that time. Someone spotted a tornado.
Yeah, that was definitely a tour.
Look at that rotation. Yeah, the intensity score dropped. So that's really good news. Now the intensity scores dropped. So now 92 is the magic number. So we're now sitting at 123, and it's been downgraded to so it's just been now finally downgraded to sub major event right now. If it goes down to 120, it would be not, because that tornado warning is getting ready to be expired in 1 minute. And then observed tornado warning will be expiring in 15 minutes. So two of these tornado warnings are now finally to be expired. hopefully everybody is okay. We still have that one tornado warning that is still in play, so that's really good news. So that's two of the tornado warnings will be are finally to be expired. We still have that confirmed tornado warning that is going on right now. So let's look at the velocity. So that is still that tornado warning that's going on right now. We have some more active severe active watches, and we also have another severe weather statement. Okay, so not so much. So now the intensity score will be now down to 119 to go because of those because of that tornado warnings to be expired. So it's supposed to start going down more after maybe possibly tonight if there's not any more tornado warnings that has been issued. So that's really good news. Really good news. At this time, we have also another alert, update alert that has been to considerable severe thunderstorm warning. So we still have that tornado warning that's going on right now. I mean, that cell's been weakening, so. So we're now down to 18 severe thunderstorm warnings.
I can only imagine what the new cycle will do. It looks like it's already trying back there to ease.
So. Yeah, this storm is really weakening. I don't see why this is still a confirmed tornado warning. I still see that funnel. So this should be downgraded to a regular tornado warning indicated at that time. So. "18 severe thunderstorm warnings and 1 tornado warning." And we had 3, 4, 5 severe thunderstorm warnings to be quite a few severe thunderstorm warnings to be expired. We got 11 more minutes to go before that tornado warnings to be expired. Hopefully, I get off. So now we're down to 116 intensity scores. And it's very likely to be dropped down to 111. Yeah, we got another severe weather. So we got another brand new severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued for Kansas. I'm gonna look at that. Let's see what the velocity is. I don't see why that could be a tornado because it's not showing yet. There's a 20% chance of having a tornado in. But we did have a tornado in Wisconsin and Illinois not too long ago. Very little. Very slim. Okay, we got another tornado warning. Let's go see what that is. Okay, so there's that brand new tornado warning that has just been issued. So this is for Grover, Colorado. If you're in Grover, Colorado, you need to take over right now. And that intensity score now just jumped up to 120 because of that tornado warning that has just been issued at this time. So let's look at the velocity and showing what that where that is at that time. So very weakening, very not very strong of a storm. We still have that tornado warning that has been still a confirmed tornado warning. So that might be that confirmed tornado warning right here. So there's that tornado warning that might be maybe expanded if that still goes on forever. So we still have that tornado warning. So the intensity scores is going to be jumping up pretty soon and starting to go down a little bit if they're because of that possible of tornadoes that's going to be issued in Colorado and parts of Wyoming and Nebraska. So again, I was right about it. I called it. This is now a new confirmed tornado warning that has been issued for this area. So if you are in Hampshire and at those 4 cities, you need to be in your safe spot. 1,400 people will be affected. So again, the intensity score really jumped back up because of that confirmed tornado warning. A brand new confirmed tornado warning that has been issued in this path right here. So if you're also in that area, all right. So that tornado warning that has been downgraded to a radar indicated of a tornado, but that'll be expiring in 2 minutes right now. So we do have that confirmed tornado that tornado warning that has been it. So that is still be watching it. Do not try to get out and look for it because it is going to be hard to see, especially when it's rain wrapped at that time. So yeah, again we have that confirmed tornado warning that has been issued. That tornado warning right here will be expiring in 6 minutes right now. And then we also have this tornado warning that was just been issued about a few minutes ago. That'll be expiring in 36 minutes. So that we're looking at maybe 8:15 for 8:15. These 2 tornado warnings should be expiring right now. So So it was gonna be so. We also have an
I just wouldn't be shocked if it's trying to drop in multiple places.
oh, my bad. There we go. We're gonna have some severe weather, some storms, severe thunderstorm warnings to be expiring in about maybe few more minutes, and that'll be allowed to be dropped. We all still have that. That we also have this tornado warning to be expiring 3 minutes right now. So the good news is this tornado warning still had expired, still had been confirmed, which that's really good news at this time. So. Are we? Well, I'm gonna take a little break, and I'll catch you all in just a moment. So that intensity score now dropped down to 115. So we're just now, because that tornado warning to be expired on this. These two tornado warnings will be expiring in 30 minutes. So we're looking at 8:15. So it's looking really good, but not for good. But we still have that confirmed tornado warning to be expired in 30 minutes right now. So we're almost down to the 100, to the double digits of the intensity score. And then because we are now down to 15 severe thunderstorm warnings and 2 tornado warnings at this time. So that being said, because that intensity score now it's back. It should drop down. It is now back down to this condition right here. It is now down to a level 5 event. And it still treats as a major event. Once these 2 tornado warnings to be expired, that confirmed tornado warning, you'll see the difference. And if there's severe thunderstorm warnings expired, got some severe thunderstorm warnings to be expiring in 13 minutes. So especially, most of them will expire 13 minutes, and that will decrease the intensity scores. Definitely tornado warnings will definitely decrease the intensity score. Now we're down to 112. And we're down to 16 severe thunderstorm warnings. It looks like we had a brand new severe thunderstorm warning that was just been issued. Matter of fact, yes, there was a new severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued, and it's for Illinois, Cook County, Illinois. That was just been issued. So this guy right here. Not sure what the meaning that is, but we do have that. Still have that confirmed tornado warning that has been issued. So yeah, we have another. So we have looks like the intensity score jumped up a little bit. It jumped up to 3 points. We have 16 severe thunderstorm warnings and 2 tornado warnings. And it jumped up again. So we have 5 flash flood warnings and 16 severe thunderstorm warnings and 2 tornado warnings, and one of them is a confirmed tornado warning. We got there's the 2 considerable severe thunderstorm warnings. We also have these severe thunderstorm warnings, and we also have these 2 severe thunderstorm warnings, and then we have also had this severe thunderstorm warning, and that'll be expiring in 10 minutes in New Mexico. And also have these severe thunderstorm warnings, and one of them is considerable severe thunderstorm warnings. Okay.
Tide looks like it.
What do you mean a spot?
That storage should be downgrading to that tornado warning should be downgrading to a considerable. No, not a considerable. Regular tornado warning. Got about another 24 minutes to go on it. And then we have a severe thunderstorm warning that was filing to be canceled. We also have that severe thunderstorm warning in Florida. I didn't know there was one in Florida that's going on right now. Yeah. Oh wow. All right, we got another brand new severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued. So that intensity score should rise up a little bit. So now we're back up to 16 severe thunderstorm warnings, and the intensity score just went back up a little bit. All right, we got another tornado warning that has just been issued. So we have a new tornado warning that has been issued for this, with that, because that intensity score did jumped up a little bit. So this is for so right now we have a new tornado warning, and it's for believe that's from Adams. Logan. All right, we got some good news. That confirmed tornado warning was allowed to be expired, allowed to be dropped down to radar indicated tornado warnings. We also have a new considerable severe thunderstorm warning that has been issued. So right now we might be seeing of a possible another tornado could be forming right now, and it's for this for the following areas for Clarksville, Colorado. So if you haven't need to be in Clarksville, Colorado, you need to be prepared to take cover. So we also looking at that that brand new tornado warning that has just been issued, and it's for Washington County, and then if you're in these two areas, you need to be in your take care of right now. Not much people, so that's very small amount of the population for that area. And that intensity score did not go up a little bit, so intensity score should drop because of that that confirmed tornado warning that has now been decreased, downgraded to the radar indicated of a tornado warning. You know, when now we're sitting at the intensity score is 113, and expected to be dropped down to single digits, to double digits. I mean, excuse me. So that's really good news. So that's a lot to say about that as well. So 18 minutes before that's tornado warnings to be expired. Excuse me. And so far there haven't been. So right now it did. So we have about 206 active alerts, 3 tornado warnings, and including 3 tornado warnings and 17 severe thunderstorm warnings. And then we also got some flash floods. About 1 hour before that, it's gonna be expired, and then we also got it won't change much on the intensity score. Now it's down to 112 again. So I want to look at something else. Heat. All right, we got a destructive severe thunderstorm warning with a possible of a tornado could be outbreaking. I don't know what that's gonna make. What difference it's gonna make. So this is really serious right here. That is gonna possibly trigger the sirens because it is like it is really serious at this time. So if you're in Grover, Colorado, you need to get into your shelters, and because the hail's pretty bad. They're saying about almost 2.75 inches of hail, maybe possibly up to wind gusts up to 60 miles per hour, baseball size hail and 60 miles per hour. Get you in, get your pets inside, and get yourself set because you're gonna be caught out. You're gonna be pretty much gonna get hurt out there. Out there, stay away from windows because this is very very bad. Because that what because of that reason the intensity score now has jumped back up to 116. So that is gonna be a while for that to happen. Now it's back down to 114. So we have 19 severe thunderstorm warnings and three tornado warnings. So that's a lot to say right there. And also got some storms that's in New Mexico. They gradually move into the panhandle of Oklahoma. Well, right now we still have these tornadoes that's going on right now, and we're at 114 for that intensity score to be released to be right now. Excuse me, can't talk right now. Now, I'm going to do a poll question. If I can do one. I'm gonna get off right now, so I'll catch you all later. Have a great.